Howdy everyone and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's that time again, our monthly deep dive into the fast-moving, ever-evolving world of proprietary trading. At the time of recording, we're well into 2026, but before we completely leave 2025 behind us, we're going to go over the latest updates from some of the top prop trading firms in the industry at the end of 2025, because it certainly did not disappoint. We saw a ton of really exciting innovations, really strategic moves that show how prop firms are doubling down on technology, trader empowerment, and smarter funding options. So every month we do a roundup of these important updates across the entire industry, so you guys can always be up to date with what's going on across the broader prop firm space. So in no real particular order, let's jump in. We're going to cover some key prop firm updates that occurred from some of the leading players in the industry during December to wrap up 2025. All right, up first is Funded Next. They closed out the year of 2025 with a notable update for its US trader base by officially reintroducing CTrader in the US. The firm had already returned to the US market, which was great news for many people in the USA, but this addition represents a more meaningful platform upgrade that many of their traders had been waiting for. If you've never used CTrader before, very intuitive interface, extremely fast execution, transparent pricing. It makes it a really appealing platform to traders who value precision, advanced charting, and then a clean, uncluttered workflow. So by bringing CTrader back to US traders, Funded Next is aligning its platform offering with modern prop trading expectations and also providing greater flexibility heading into 2026. Along with this, Funded Next launched its official WhatsApp channel. So this will give all their traders a faster and more direct way to stay informed. So there's real-time announcements, platform updates, promotions, all directly to your phone, so reducing the need to monitor multiple platforms. So communication stays clear and focused, traders receive relevant updates, so improved platform access and streamlined communication. Funded Next is positioning itself for a stronger and huge year in 2026. Crypto fund trader, they continued expanding their ecosystem in December with a strong focus on liquidity, market access, and platform depth. A major highlight was the full rollout of its Bybit integration on both MaxTrader and MetaTrader 5. This update unlocks access to more than 550 additional trading pairs, significantly expanding the firm's crypto market offering across two core platforms. So the integration seamlessly connects a leading crypto exchange with both a web-based interface and a professional multi-asset platform, giving traders greater flexibility in how they trade. In addition, Crypto Fund Trader announced a new partnership with Finalto, an institutional-grade liquidity provider serving brokers and financial institutions around the world. Great collaboration. It's designed to strengthen execution quality, pricing, and overall infrastructure. So rather than focusing on surface-level incentives, these updates really emphasize Crypto Fund Traders' back-end quality and market access and positions them closer to institutional standards while giving their traders more depth, liquidity, and flexibility coming into 2026. So great work there as well from Crypto Fund Trader. Moving on to the GOAT Funded Trader. They implemented an important policy change in December to finish the year by removing funding restrictions for traders based in Pakistan. The firm lifted the previous $50K allocation cap, allowing eligible traders to access higher funding levels without location-based limits. So an update applies across all programs and represents a shift towards a more inclusive funding model, which we love. Previously, Pakistani traders faced fixed ceiling regarding performance. So with the restriction removed, progression is now driven purely by results, consistency, and rule compliance rather than geography, which we love. So tying scaling opportunities directly to performance metrics, GOAT Funded Trader is reinforcing a merit-based approach to growth as it moves into the new year, and we're excited to see what they do in 2026. Moving on to Fintokei. They closed out the year with a highly requested upgrade by integrating TradingView across all CTrader accounts. Powered by Purple Trading Seychelles, this integration allows traders to analyze markets and execute trades directly from TradingView while participating in Fintokei challenges. The key benefit is efficiency. TradingView is widely used for clean interface, advanced indicators, and precise drawing tools. So by combining charting and execution on a single screen, Fintokei eliminates the need to switch platforms, helping traders obviously react faster and maintain focus during active market condition. So it's a workflow-focused improvement that enhances the trading experience without altering the core challenge structure. TX3 Funding, they introduced a practical payment upgrade by rolling out an improved credit and debit card system. The update is designed to make transactions smoother, faster, and more reliable, with a particular focus on reducing declined or rejected payments during checkout. By refining this critical part of the onboarding process, TX3 Funding is removing friction at one of the most important stages of the trader journey. While it's a behind-the-scenes improvement, it directly enhances accessibility and usability, especially for new traders entering the platform. Hola Prime, they ended December and 2025 with 2 updates centered on structure, discipline, and community engagement. First, the firm launched its new 3-step Prime account, expanding its evaluation lineup with a more structured path to funding. Branded under the message, "Jump in, level up, get funded," the model emphasizes consistency over aggressive trading. Traders progress through 3 evaluation phases, each requiring a 5% profit target paired with a 5% daily loss and 5% maximum overall loss limit rules. So keeping these parameters consistent across all phases helps maintain fairness while filtering for disciplined performance. A lot of prop firms change the evaluation targets and objectives as they go through the phases, so great to see congruency there across all 3 phases. Alongside this, Hola Prime centralized all Forex and futures live sessions on the Hola Prime global YouTube channel. So all HPTV live streams, coaching sessions, and market breakdowns are now hosted in one place, improving accessibility and strengthening community engagement as the firm rolls into 2026. Moving on to Best Prop for You, they introduced a new accessibility-focused option with the launch of its Pay Later challenge. So this model lowers the upfront barrier to entry by allowing traders to begin an evaluation with a small platform fee and then pay the remaining cost only after successfully passing the challenge. So the structure reduces initial risk and lets traders prove their skills before making a larger financial commitment. The Pay Later challenge is available as a one-time purchase and can be activated using the promo code CHALLENGE10. It's a simple but impactful addition that supports a performance-first approach to funded trading. So really excited to see traders in 2026 using the Pay Later challenge. And we'll do an updated review on Best Prop for You as they go. Wall Street Funded, they shared an important clarification at the end of the year regarding its payment options during ongoing infrastructure upgrades. The firm confirmed that Visa and MasterCard payments remain fully supported through PayPal, ensuring uninterrupted access for traders worldwide. By selecting PayPal at checkout, traders can pay either using their debit or credit card or an existing PayPal balance. Now, it seems simple, but this solution remains in place while standard payment processes are reconfigured as part of a broader modernization effort. So the process remains secure and accessible and giving traders the ability to continue purchasing programs without disruption. So a small yet important update there from Wall Street Funded. Moving on to E8 Markets, they delivered one of the most significant updates of the year by fully simplifying its challenge structure. All programs have been consolidated into just 2 options, being E8-1 and a rebuilt E8 signature, with previous models such as Track and Classic now removed. The new E8 signature is now a true one-step program, replacing the earlier mix-up of multi-step routes. Traders operate under a single, consistent rule set that includes news trading permissions, access to multiple platforms, and crypto payment options for future plans. Now, alongside this, E8 Markets permanently removed activation fees across all programs. Accounts are now offered on a one-time fee basis, eliminating post-passing charges. I'm sure people will be happy about that one. With fewer programs, clearer rules, and improved cost transparency, E8 Markets is positioning itself as a more straightforward and trader-friendly firm heading into 2026, so some great updates there from them. Plutus Trade Base, they closed December with a meaningful platform upgrade by introducing MetaTrader 5 as a new trading option for funded traders. The integration is now fully live, offering access to a more advanced and flexible trading environment. MT5, if you've never used it, arguably at the forefront as the premier platform in the space, known primarily for modern architecture, faster processing speeds, and expanded analytical tools. It supports multiple asset trading, and deeper market data, allowing traders to benefit from improved charting, broader instrument access, and more efficient execution. So a great update that's strengthening Plutus Trade Base platform offering and aligns the firm with evolving trader expectations. The Trading Pit, they expanded its equity offering in December with the launch of a new 50K stocks challenge. This new account size sits between entry level and higher capital options, giving traders more room to execute equity strategies within a structured valuation framework. Now, according to the firm, the 50K challenge provides more flexibility for position sizing and risk management without the pressure that often comes with significantly larger accounts. Focused on actively traded, well-known stocks, the program runs on a platform designed for speed, clarity, and efficient execution, responding directly to demand from stock-focused traders. So if you're a trader with the Trading Pit and you enjoy trading stocks, then this one is definitely for you. FXify, they introduced a meaningful update to its two-phase challenge by splitting the program into two paths, being classic and standard. So this change gives traders more choice in how they pursue funding, while both options still offer starting capital of up to $400,000. The classic path features a static drawdown, flipped profit targets, and a profit split of up to 100%, appealing to traders who prefer fixed risk limits. The standard path retains a trailing drawdown and original profit targets while adding on-demand first payouts, catering to more active trading styles. So this dual structure moves FXify away from a one-size-fits-all model and gives traders greater control over their evaluation approach. So some great updates there from FXify. All right, Pip Farm continued its trader-focused innovation to finish 2025 with two updates aimed at resilience and scalability. First, the firm introduced Respawn, a power-up that allows traders to retry any breach challenge from the past 3 days completely free. Now, once granted, the feature remains stored in the account until it's needed, acting as somewhat of a safety net after setbacks. Very cool. In addition, Pip Farm launched a funded account merge feature, enabling traders to combine multiple funded accounts into a single larger account. This allows traders to manage one balance, one trading environment, and one payout stream instead of multiple logins. So together, these updates support long-term development, cleaner scaling, and a more sustainable trading experience. So great update there for Pip Farm and their trader base. Citi Traders Imperium, they improved accessibility by introducing Apple Pay and Google Pay as new payment options. So if you're a trader, you can now purchase challenges or funded accounts using one-tap payments directly from your device. The goal is to reduce friction at checkout by eliminating manual card entry and lengthy verification steps that nobody likes. So by aligning its payment flow with modern digital habits, Citi Traders Imperium is making onboarding faster, simpler, and more convenient for traders worldwide, and nobody is complaining about that. All right, moving on to our last few for the month. Blue Guardian ended the year with a crypto-focused expansion through the launch of its one-step crypto challenge. The program is now live, entry pricing starting from around $42, supported by a 40% discount. The challenge uses a single-phase evaluation structure and maintains defined risk parameters. Traders gain access to 20 cryptocurrency pairs with leverage of up to 1 to 4, balancing opportunity with controlled exposure. This update positions Blue Guardian as a more approachable option for traders seeking funded crypto accounts without complex evaluation paths. Lux Trading Firm rolled out one of its most ambitious updates of the year in December, significantly reshaping its funding and capital model. The firm doubled its starting account sizes without increasing prices. How good's that? Offering $100,000 accounts for £199 and $400,000 accounts for £449, with scaling potential up to $10 million. Now, at the same time, Lux Trading Firm introduced a major rule update by moving new accounts to a one-stage evaluation model, paired with an 80% profit split and instant withdrawals. Existing traders remain on the previous structure, and to complete the rollout, the firm launched a new instant funding account, giving experienced traders immediate access to $400,000 with no evaluation phase. Traders who reach a 12% profit target are eligible for a one-time payout of $38,400. So these changes really simplify funding, certainly increase capital access, and speed up profit withdrawals. So those are some phenomenal updates for Lux Trading Firm to finish off their 2025. And last, but certainly not least, to wrap up the last 2025 updates video is SFX Funded. They closed out the year by reintroducing its 7.5K two-step plan at a significantly reduced price of $24, down from $79. So the relaunch brings back a familiar evaluation structure, yet dramatically lowering the entry cost. Now, the update is aimed at accessibility, making it easier for new traders to enter prop trading or for existing traders to test the firm's conditions with minimal upfront risk. It's a framework that remains unchanged in terms of evaluation, and the offer is available for a limited time, encouraging traders to secure access at the discounted rate. So who doesn't love a discount? And that's a great way to finish off the updates. Well, these have been the recent updates and changes from some of the leading prop trading firms across the industry throughout December to wrap up the year that was. As we can see, the prop trading firm industry as a whole is constantly evolving, and quality trading firms are always looking to adjust and improve their offerings to traders. Now, let us know in the comments your perspective, your thoughts or feedback, particularly if you enjoyed any of these changes, any of the firms that you've particularly worked with, maybe which updates caught your eye the most. We always love to see your feedback in the comments, especially if you are someone working directly with any of these prop firms. And don't forget as well, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and our other social media pages, but that's so you can always be up to date with what's going on across the prop trading firm industry. We'll make sure you receive news, important updates about reputable and trustworthy prop firms that we also list and have plenty of information on the website. Well, that wraps up this monthly update video. Wishing everyone successful and happy trading as always. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.